What's up guys? Today we got a really simple upgrade. We're upgrading the side markers on the Miata. So I got these from eBay. They're LEDs and they're smoke. They also come in clear if that's what you like. And they just plug into where the bulb is. So it's just 2 screws and you're good to go. These also work for the NB Miata, except the rears on some of them aren't powered. So you'd only have powered fronts. Or if you wanted to wire the rears too, you could. But for 30 bucks, it's not a necessary upgrade, but I think it'll look nice. These are just like the original, orange in the front, red in the back. So I already took one corner off and put them in which way they should go. So it makes it really simple, but it's literally just 2 screws and it'll come right out and we'll plug them in. So let's go ahead and do this side. So in the back of the car, like I said, it's just 2 screws and then this just pops out. Found in the front, if you leave the screws in the housing but not in what's holding it, you can just pull them out easier. And that's just this, and it should just twist to counterclockwise. And then you want to take the bulb out. This will plug into where the bulb was. I don't believe it matters which way it goes. It should fit either way. I say that as it doesn't go in. And then these only don't fit in one way. So after putting the back in, I realized it doesn't fit as flush. There is a little bit of a gap, or it's extruding out. And on the front, they fit actually perfectly, but see, this one's smooth. You can't even really tell it's there because it's so dark, but it's smooth with the body. And I think the reason for that is, so this is the old front. It is exactly the same width, but this is the rear. And as you can see, it's quite a bit skinnier. So that might be the reason why, but like I said, these were 30 bucks. So I can't really complain about $30 parts. I shouldn't buy cheap stuff. Oh well. So I got them all in and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Like I said, the back, just the fitment isn't the best. I don't know if I can shave something down on the housing itself or if I just need to stop buying cheap stuff. I probably just need to stop buying cheap stuff. But here is the rear. It's actually lit up. It's pretty bright. And then the front, the same thing. It's lit up, it's pretty bright, and we'll walk around on the other sides too. But the fit is just off just a little bit, like a 1/4 of an inch. I don't think you could really tell unless you were looking, but we go back to the front, and the front is perfectly flat and smooth. So overall, for 30 bucks and something that takes 5 minutes to swap out, I don't think it's that big of a deal. Overall, I think if you just want some brighter lights or if you just want the smoked look, these are the way to go. They do have more expensive ones. I think Flying Miata sells a kit. I think they're twice the price. I think they're like 60 bucks. So it might just be worth to spend the extra money and get those ones over these. So I guess the one bright side of this is if you were on the fence about buying them, you now know the back might not fit as smoothly as you would like, and I saved 30 bucks, and now you know to buy the more expensive ones. Those also might be like that. I don't know, I haven't bought them, but I assume they fit flush because Flying Miata is better quality than eBay. But that's it for this week, guys. See you guys next week.